Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Siri shortcuts on your Philips 4000i purifier. To do it, click on the settings in top right corner, then supported third-party services. Now you can select Siri Shortcuts or Alexa. I'm gonna show you the Siri Shortcuts, and now you can click on the one that you want. So for example, let's set it to living room day mode, auto mode. And now you can change the voice phrase if you want, or click on done. So I'm gonna change the voice phrase and just set it to auto. Then click on done. And now whenever I say, "Hey Siri, auto," it should put it in the auto mode. So, "Hey Siri, auto." And now my device should be put in the auto mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.